Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the video for icon creation that you have seen in my Malaysia 63rd Independence Day PowerPoint animation. If you have not, the link is up here in this video and under the description box. Let's start.
Just put everything in the oven, Carla.